Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Temlo. It actually belongs to the VoidCrypt ransomware family, and once it attacks your computer, it adds a special extension, and all your files are no longer accessible. So the ransomware then instructs you to pay the special ransom, supposedly to get your files decrypted. You will no longer be able to open your files. This includes music, pictures, video files, and other data that you store on your computer. There may be some time that you will still be able to access some of your pictures and other data, but at the lapse of a certain amount of time, all your files will no longer be accessible. This special Temlo extension will be added to your documentation, and you will not be able to open your files anymore. The point is that simply removing this Temlo extension from the encrypted file does not decrypt the file. And because of that, of course, some people may be really scared with such a faulty message. The message may tell you that to get your files back, you need to pay the ransom, but once again, paying the ransom does not automatically restore your files. There is no guarantee that you would get your files back. So what we strongly advise you to do is to check the task manager of your computer. If you have noticed some files encrypted and some not encrypted, consider checking the task manager and stopping all suspicious processes. If all your files have already been encrypted, it means that the ransomware has completed its malicious job. We recommend you to access your disk C, to go to the Internet Explorer folder, start Internet Explorer, and then we recommend you to go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software called Combo Cleaner, install the application, and start examining your system, because you need to remove this ransomware and all traces of the ransomware on your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Windows computers will help you very well in this matter. After you download the software, install it, and start scanning your computer, the program will help you to detect this Temlo ransomware and to protect all your files from being encrypted in the future. After you successfully download and install the software Combo Cleaner, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan type available. The premium version also gives you full system scan and custom scan. So you may click on Start Scan button and the program will begin the analysis of your Windows computer. You may get back and experiment with some preferences or settings of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner works very well at protecting your computer against all contemporary kinds of threats, including ransomware. So the premium version gives you excellent protection against all current ransomware type infections. By the way, you may add a special folder that will protect your data in that folder. But again, that's the part of the premium version only. So while the quick scan is in progress, the program will give you the report about all kinds of infections that may be the part of your Windows computer right now. The scanning will take at least several minutes, I would say, and then at the end of scan you will see the complete summary of all threats that are currently available on your Windows computer. So you simply need to wait a bit until the scanning is over to see the detailed report. Then, at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of threats. It will also give you the location of each specific threat, and what it does with your computer. You may remove all these threats, however, by upgrading to the premium version of the program or by asking for a limited period of time of full trial key.